on my YouTube channel. Today I will just tell you about a writing section, and writing section basically about a topic. It's very important for you. That's the topic name is, it is just seen on a board. Now you can just watch it on a board. That topic is notice. जी हाँ, मैं अजय मिश्रा आपके साथ फिर एक बार अपने YouTube चैनल पर, और मैं आज आपको नोटिस के बारे में बताऊंगा, नोटिस के बारे में सिखाऊंगा कि किस तरह से नोटिस लिखा जाता है। मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि नोटिस आप किस तरह से इजी वे में आराम से लिख सकते हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें मैं बताऊंगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताता हूं कि आज का हमारा, एक बार फिर याद दिलाता हूं, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, जैसा कि बोर्ड पर हमें दिखाई दे रहा है, जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है वो है नोटिस, जैसा ऑलरेडी हैव रिटन, और एंड I have also written a question already that is on a board. You can just watch it. I will just tell you about it. The topic is write a notice for a meeting of security men with the director of their agency. जी हाँ, आपको नोटिस लिखना है एक मीटिंग के लिए, जो सिक्योरिटी मैन के लिए है और डायरेक्टर के साथ होगी। उस मीटिंग के लिए आपको एक नोटिस लिखना है। जैसा हम जानते हैं कि हमारा नोटिस जो है वो बेसिकली अबाउट गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन बेसिकली टू द segment of a pupil or a large body of pupil. It may be also for the newspaper and also magazine and for the notice board. तो बिना हम किसी वक्त को जस्ट वेस्ट किए हुए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। जस्ट फर्स्ट आई वांट टू जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द नोटिस, सो दैट यू कैन जस्ट फाइंड all your marks, all basically in a 12th class, all 4 marks, because the topic notice is for the 4 marks. It is in a short question. There are 4 topics in short question, and notice is one of them. First I want to just tell you, notice would be just put it into a bracket. Just you can just make a bracket such type of, or according to your page or copy. Okay, you can just make it after writing you in a format. Just you will just start your notice by writing notice here in a starting of the first and important point. You have to write a notice and such type of as is written here, and at the right, just on the right hand of the board, and your left hand, just notice about it, your left hand, you would mention date here. You can write a date as maybe like as a 2nd July, such type of, you can write such type of such, and next this way. Okay, this is the date I just mentioned on the board. And you can also change one thing I want to just tell you about. You can start your notice by writing here the name of agency, or anything, name of a school, or name of any other, like as a, here just it is given security man. So here will be topic or different, like as any name of security, like as here I want just tell you anything else. So you can write the main thing, the issuing authority to whom the notice would be issued, like as the name of the agency, uh, Gorkha. You can write is like such type of in a first word of a in a capital, and second such type of Gorkha security man. I want to just tell you, you can write it in a starting of in place of notice here, and notice can be put here also. There is no problem. I want to just tell you about like as I want to just tell you again such type of. Again, I'm telling you, you can write the title here in place of the notice, and notice you can write here in place of the title. Such type of. I will just tell you again like as. Notice you can write here also, and name of the Gorkha security man, underline it, and notice should be underlined. Okay, such type of both they are correct. Okay guys, such type of this you should also remember about the format because format also includes marks. If you write a wrong format, you would just cut out some marks, as I told you. So such type of a notice, and you should mention here date like as, and here name of agency, name of institute maybe also. I just changing the name Polo security man. Okay, just change the topic here. So notice date, and also I hope you would just watch here in such type of. Then you can write the topic meeting of security man. This is the topic most important. Okay, in a format such type of. I hope you just watch it. First thing is notice, then you will just on a copy on the right hand, and your left hand, on your left hand you would mention a date, then such type of name of institute, it is written here, you can see, and heading of the. Okay, and then you can write from here. I hope it is just seen. I want to just show you again the question. Write a notice for the meeting of security man with the director of the agency. So you can write many types of in uh, one way. I want just to tell you, it is to inform all the security men of, as it is just written here up. I just changed the name of the agency, Apollo security men of Polo security men. It is just inform all the security men, all the security men of Polo agency, okay, that a meeting, just I hope you will be watching here, a meeting to be held in the director's apostrophe s लगाएं office. Always just remember, just make here, you just make a apostrophe sign as such type of, and you can write such type of as, otherwise you will write such type of, it will be wrong way. Okay, I hope you will learn it at 11:30 a.m. It's a time on Monday. Here you can just mention a date. Just remember here about because notice is, it is just issued on 2nd July, so you can write here 3rd July. Don't write a whole year 20. So such type of here. I will just tell you about the in a format. Just you have to uh, make the bird limit, it should be written, into a 50 birds, so don't overcross your the bird limit. All the members are requested to be present in time. And this is again, just watch it. Okay, and last, you would just make the name of the issuing authority, maybe any, like as Sachin. Okay, secretary, the secretary, and you have to just put all these written matter into your box, such type of, you can watch it again in a whole way. Actually, there are some problems to just make this type of video in a different way, as I'm just putting you in front of you. Sorry, I want just tell you about the topic, write a notice for the meeting of the security man with the director of the agency. So as I told you, you have to write the, in a starting of, in the middle of the bracket, notice, and second line, next second line, date, just name of institute. Okay, in a starting I've write a different, and here I have just changed it. Heading of the and it should be also underlined. And I want just tell you about it is to inform all the security men of Polo agency that a meeting to be held in the director, so in the directors, okay, because as I told you, in a director's office, just I have missed office here, office, okay, office at 11:30 a.m. on Monday, 3rd July, as you just make a mention a date. All the members are requested to be present in time. Sachin, it is the just name of the issuing authority. Sachin, maybe other name. It is just written, should be written into a question. The secretary. It is the designation. Just see and watch in such type of. I hope you would learn it how to write a notice in a such type of, and just get all 4 marks in your class, in the 12th class. I hope you would just uh, subscribe my channel, and if you not, so please subscribe my channel so that you can just find out all the information and for the new topics as I just given you today. जी हाँ, मैं आपसे एक बार फिर आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपने हमारा चैनल आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो एक बार फिर आप उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें, जिससे कि हर एक नई टॉपिक को आप इजीली विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम आप फाइंड आउट कर सकें। तो मैं फिर अजय मिश्रा आपसे एक बार फिर विदा लेता हूँ, और सी यू अगेन विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे।